How you doing, everyone? This right here is actually a live look at the 2-minute time frame today with the price action on NQ. Now, I just did a video that I posted a little bit ago with the 1-minute time frame. It did really well. Had a little bit of higher win rate, made about $1,280 trading with 2 contracts, and on the 2-minute time frame, did about $1,500. So, if you guys are not looking and not being as consistent, I guess you could say, in the trading markets day in and day out, this is something that can actually really help kind of give that edge to what you're currently doing. And I want to just go over here on every buy and sell signal here on the 2-minute as well, show you guys transparency of winning trades, losing trades, how to manage these trades. But overall today with the price action, it ended up being about $1,500. So you guys take a look right here at market open. This is here at 6:30 or just beforehand. End up getting a sell signal here. Now, this is actually only going for 10 points here on the 2-minute time frame. This is something where I like to do these videos, 1-minute time frame, 2-minute time frame. Is there a better time frame to use? Well, honestly, what I would recommend, stick with the time frame for about a month and just try to master that. If you're looking at the split screen setup that I have, if you're trading the 1-minute time frame, go ahead and have the 1-minute on the bottom and the 2-minute on top. If you're trading the 2-minute time frame, have the 2-minute on the bottom and the 3-minute on top. And when we layer our screens like that, basically all we're trying to do is just give confirmation that whatever time frame we're on, a higher time frame is in confluence with that as well. But back to the charts here, let's just go over this together. As if, let's say we were trading this live together. This is sell signal, everything's combined, literally lasting less than 2 minutes, profit target hit. We come over here a little bit more, but you get another buy signal, profit hit, about 4 minutes into that trade. So now you're $200, now you're $400. Another one here, entry, now hit, $600. Another one, signal hit. Very good. So, let's look at some of these ones that just didn't work. Not everything's 100%. My name is Justin. I'm actually the founder of these metrics. And, I will never claim anything that it's 100% at all. But how do you manage these trades when you get them? If we get a buy signal like this and we don't end up hitting our targets, I want you guys to close out when your white dots, which is going to represent the actual price action at that time, closes below your profit wave. In this case, this actually ended up losing 4.5 points. That's okay. It's totally fine. I mean, I will take these trades all day for 10 points and have one trade that loses 4.5. Can you have some of these that are a little bit larger? Yeah, let's take a look at another one right here. This is the signal that got illuminated. And what happened? The market just had different decisions. It came back up 18 points. Okay, then just take it. It's totally fine. Saying that I like to use is, some of our biggest and best trades are actually on the opposite side of a well-managed loser. And, if you can get into a trade and it goes against you and you get out and you just be patient, a lot of times that next signal, take a look, is the winning signal that you need. So then you get a sell signal, then you play it down. This is literally telling us to play to this level. A couple minutes later, 2, 4, 6, about 6 minutes, end up closing out. Another buy signal here. Price action, luckily, end up staying right above here in this profit wave. So here's our entry, almost got it. Something that I would look at this trade and potentially not take is if you have your profit target. These are the profit targets that you're going to be shooting for when you grab these metrics. If any of the lines are at or really close to a level of support or resistance, so if I'm going long and I see this red line and it's very close, it could be one to hold off on. Now, did it come down and come back up and win with the trade? Yes. But honestly, this is too much of a risk kind of going down and back up, and it's hard to stomach those trades. Afterwards, this ended up running even further higher and higher. There's some people that I'm working with my one-on-ones, and I'll show you guys where to book that in a second, where they're using methods that are literally pulling out now 50 points in the market, where you can use your first kind of triple G or triple R method, and as long as your background's still green, they're holding these trades and making, 2, 3, 4 times more than what just the minimum basic system with this actually does. If you guys haven't done so already, I want you guys to head over to My Future Success. You guys can actually grab access to all of this in the description. This is lifetime access, never any monthly service fees. We're on version 4.1. It means I've made 4 different versions of this, and I am looking to release version 5 by the end of this year. So everyone who gets on board right now is actually going to have lifetime access to that next version. And I'm just going to try to make this better and better and better. You guys have my word, and I'm dedicated to make this as great as possible. If you guys are new to trading, I have people that are 18 years old. I have people who are 90 years old and wanting to do one-on-one tradings. And it's really nice to be able to dive in and say like, okay, what prop firm accounts should I be doing? What size? Should I be doing 50K, 100K, 150K? How many contracts should I be doing? When should I be trading? What's a strategy that works for me? That's everything that I go over in my one-on-one trainings. And I kind of cater this system where right when you leave, you're in the best mind state possible to be able to take on the market the day afterwards. I mean, can you technically grab these metrics, load it onto your chart within minutes, and do exactly what I'm showing you here? 100%. And take a look at some of these reviews over here. Almost 95-star reviews of people that are having just amazing success. Like a lot of these members here passing their 150K accounts. I'm so grateful and thankful for these. There's a 150K account right there. Absolutely incredible with this individual here. But take a second, see if any of this actually resonates to you. You could literally sit down with a cup of coffee and tea and just go through a lot of this down here just to see, some of these on here, syntax error, some of these reviews are just like, it's just something that I emailed Frank and was like, hey, let me just help you out with it. So if you guys have any issues with loading metrics, easy, I'm here for you. You guys, over 2,000 people, 2,200 people have my direct email, and I answer them every single day. It means I have about 200 emails I answer a day because I do all of this myself. So when you get in contact with me, you are talking to myself specifically. And I want it that way. I want this to be a personal feel. I want this to make it feel like you're literally walking into my house as a family, as a friend, and to be able to help along the way. And, a lot of people can attest to that who have done my one-on-ones where I really do mean it, where I say I'm dedicated and I want this to be the best trading system ever. And it's honestly why I don't want to charge and will not charge for any upgrades that are done here on Tradingview, just because I want to make this as best as I possibly can for all of you guys. And at the end of the day, of course, for myself, to be able to make some extra money with my own trading as well. So if you guys have any questions or anything on this, please make sure to email me. But I just want to get on here again and show the 2-minute time frame. So not only the 1 minute did about almost $1,300, but the 2-minute time frame today did about $1,500 as well from start to finish. So thank you guys so much. I'll keep posting videos like this as much as I possibly can, analyzing the market and giving us best education as possible. Thank you guys. Take care. God bless. Have a great rest of your day.